How do you tell a story with just a single wobbly line? While a bar chart is great for comparing separate things like favorite colors, a line graph is a master storyteller. It shows us the journey of something over time. Think of the bottom line, the horizontal x-axis, as the timeline: days, hours, years. The vertical line, the y-axis, is what we're measuring: a puppy's weight, a city's temperature, a company's sales. We plot the measurements as dots, and then, using a ruler, we connect them. That connection is where the magic happens. The line itself tells the story. If it slopes upwards, things are growing. A steep climb? That's a sudden growth spurt, like a plant shooting up over 2 days. If the line slopes down, the value is decreasing. And a perfectly flat line means nothing changed at all, a period of stability. But line graphs have superpowers. The first is called interpolation. It's like reading between the lines. If the temperature was 20 degrees at 2 p.m. and 22 degrees at 3 p.m., we can make an educated guess that at 2:30 it was about 21 degrees. It lets us fill in the gaps. The second superpower is looking into the future. It's called extrapolation. If a company's sales have been climbing steadily for 5 months, we can extend that line to predict what might happen in month 6. You can even tell 2 stories at once. Imagine a graph with 2 lines showing 2 runners in a race. You can see who's in the lead, who's getting tired, and that thrilling moment where one line crosses over the other, the exact second the lead changes. It's all there in the simple, powerful narrative of the line.